First year English, lecture number 51, topic the reward, chapter number 6. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First year students, how are you all beta? I hope you all fine and enjoying a safe and sound health beta, and I pray to Allah to make you healthy and happy forever. Ameen summa ameen. Students, welcome in my class, and as you know that beta, we had studied that how Georgius he achieved his whole life's ambition, and beta how he got success while creating a vacancy for this job, because he had this, you can say, strange ambition that he wanted to become court acrobat, but unfortunately when he had this ambition there was no such vacancy in the court. So beta, he struggled very hard. He got into politics, he entered into politics, and he made a lot of speeches, and he convinced the people with his, you can say, arguments and with his discussions, and he did so many hard work for getting this his ambitious. And beta, of course many people, they were against him. They created so many hurdles in his way, but beta, he was constantly sticking to his ambition, and finally the post of court acrobat was created. And now the ceremony of his posting, of the inauguration of this ceremony, of this post was going to be held in the court, and the whole court was turned into gymnasium, and beta, they were putting rings and hurdles for Georgius. But of course he was an old man now, because he spent his whole life for getting this, for fulfilling his this ambition, and finally beta, he got succeeded when he was so much old. Yet still he was very happy that he had got his, you can say, strange ambition. Okay beta, let's see. Whatever the question was, it was at once understood. Royal smiles were directed towards him, and gentle applause broke out from every hand, which he understood at once, and the old bent form moved on away from the hurdle. Now beta, he was at this point that he couldn't show any practical, you can say, जो इसको आर्ट कहते हैं या कोई करतब नहीं दिखा सकता था, ठीक है, because he was so much old now. But and the great royal family and the king or the other his members, they easily understood his problem, and beta, they clapped, and their clapping was a sign that they don't want to see any practical, you can say, example of this acrobat, ठीक है. So royal smiles were directed towards him, and gentle applause mean हर तरफ से हल्की आवाज़ में तालियां बजने लगी, broke out from every hand, which he understood at once, जिसको वो फ़ौरन ही समझ गया. And the old bent form moved on away from the hurdle, और बेटा उसका बूढ़ा हुआ जो जिस्म था जो है वो रुकावट से दूर चला गया. Once he raised a hand to touch the lowest of the swings that were hung from the ceiling. एक दफ़ा उसने जो सबसे नीचे वाला जो रिंग था बेटा, उसको छूने की कोशिश की जो कि छत के साथ लटका हुआ था. But again the applause broke out, assuring him that no actual activity was expected of him. लेकिन फिर जो है वो सब ने तालियां बजा के उसको ये समझाने की कोशिश की कि उससे किसी भी किस्म की जो है वो एक्टिविटी या करतब की जो है वो तवक्को नहीं की जा रही, और ऐसा ना करे. And so having made his bows, he was led to a seat. और इस तरह से बेटा झुकते हुए, ठीक है, लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए, he was led to a seat, उसको एक उसकी नशिस्त की तरफ ले जाया गया. And his life's ambition achieved, और बेटा उसकी जो लाइफ का एम्बिशन था, the goal and the aim of his life had been achieved by him after a long and you can say hard struggle, ठीक है. So it must have taken him more than 60 years to do it. But such a long time of being stuck to an ambition. कितना बेटा अजीब सी बात है ना कि वो इतना अरसा कैसे कोई इंसान रख सकता. But if you have determination and if you are ambitious, so you can do it. Since first he came by that strange ambition of his, जब से वो कहता है कि इस ambition, ये जो जब से उसको ये मकसद है याद, अजीब सा मकसद है याद सूझा था, तब से लेकर अब तक 60 साल गुजर चुके थे. Not many stick to a thing for so long. वो कोई भी इतना अरसा तक जो है वह ऐसी किसी चीज़ के साथ भी कायम नहीं रह सकता. ओके. सो एंड जॉकन्स uttered a quiet sigh. और जॉकन्स ने बेटा एक आह भरी, ठीक है, so clearly mourning over some lost ambitions that he himself had given up. और जॉकन्स बेटा जो who was a storyteller, he himself he uttered a long quiet sigh because he was mourning. Mourning क्या होता है? मातम करना, अफसोस करना. बेटा he was mourning on his own lost ambition that he himself had given up, जिसको वो खुद भी छोड़ चुका था. ऐसे किसी एम्बिशन के बारे में उसने सोचा, उसको याद आया कोई ऐसा कुछ ख्वाब जो कि उसने पूरा नहीं किया था और वो उस पर कायम भी नहीं रहा था. दैट नॉट इवन टर्बट asked him what it was. और ना ही टर्बट ने पूछा कि वो ख्वाब, वो एम्बिशन, वो मकसद क्या था. सो बेटा दिस इज़ हाउ द स्टोरी एंड्स एंड यू सी दैट determination and hard struggle both combined to get or to fulfill your desire, but it is sure that the desire should be positive. Your aim of life should be positive, and if you have set your aim, so you should do hard work for getting that aim. This is the life beta, and this is how you can get, how you move forward in your life. And it gives, this lesson gives us this story gives us a lesson that if we may find so many hurdles in attaining our aim, but still we should be persistent, because consistency it requires a lot. आप जो है मुस्तकिल मिजाज आपको होना चाहिए, आपको डिटरमिन होना चाहिए for getting your aim. Okay beta, now we have come to an end, and beta what is left, you have to learn the question answers and the synonyms of this lesson, and as well the transition, because transition, question answers and synonyms, they all will be given to you in your paper, and you have to learn it carefully beta. Learning of the lesson side by side is necessary, because when you collect your, you can say, material, and when you have so many lessons to learn, it would be difficult. Okay beta, so learn all the lessons that I taught you side by side for better preparation. Okay beta, if you need any problem, if you find any problem, and if you need any my help, you can ask me. I will wait for your feedback, and inshallah in tomorrow's lecture we shall start a very different thing. Maybe I start a poem or other things. So beta, till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and remember me in your prayers.